So do now. Set number 15. It's Pythagoras. But I'm not giving you any other clues at all. Find the missing lengths. So in this one, it's YZ. And can you do that one to, let's do 1 decimal place. This one, you're doing the distance between York and Norwich. And this one, the length of AC. And that one is to 3 significant figures. And this one down here is the nearest kilometre. Okay, you've got 5 minutes. Starting now, you can use a calculator. Okay, time's run out. Let's have a go. So, remember, Pythagoras is you take one short side and you square it. Take the other short side and you square it. If you add them together, it's equal to the long side, the hypotenuse, squared. So, my shorthand for Pythagoras is square one side, square another, add or subtract, and then square root. Now this time, I'm trying to find a long side, so I'm trying to make a big thing, so I add. So I square one of the short sides, I square the other one, and I add them to see what I've got there. 1.7 squared plus 3.2 squared is 13.13. Oops, dear me. 13.13. And then the side that I want will be that, but the square root of it. Why do I keep writing 11? What is wrong with me? So 13.13, square root it. And I said one decimal place because it's 3.6235, so 3.6 centimetres. Down here, York and Norwich. Norwich is 168 kilometres due east of Leicester. So you go east to Leicester, and then 157 kilometres due north of Leicester. And York is that due north of Leicester. Yeah, okay. So what's the difference between Norwich and York? Again, it's a right angle triangle, and I'm trying to find the long side. So I'm going to add and then square root. 168 squared plus 157 squared is going to be a big number. 52,873. Now that's not my answer, because remember, end of Pythagoras, you invariably have to square root, because that's the length squared. We want the square root of it. To the nearest kilometre is 229.9. So to the nearest kilometre, 230 kilometres. Last one. What have we got? Oh, we're trying to find the long side again. Oh, they're all long sides. I should have sorted that out. Okay, so we're going to square one side, square the other side, and add them, and then we'll square root it. So 11 squared plus 8 squared is 185. And then we need to square root to get my answer, which is 13. Let's put a few decimal places down here, and then we'll round it in a minute. 13.60147, etc. Now, 3 significant figures. It says in the question, always read the question on the rounding, 3 significant figures. Now, the first significant figure in this case is the 1. It's the highest value digit because it's worth 10. The second one is the 3, and then the next one is the 6. So that's the one we're rounding to. Check the next number across, which is 0. And because it's 0, I don't round up my 6. I just leave it alone. 13.6 centimetres. Okay? Right. Well done. Go on to your main task then. Bye-bye.